Yes, my dear students. Let's see now the process C. The third process, let us see about. First stage of process C is nothing but we have to see how much quantum is transferred from process B. That means second process, how much is been transferred to process 3. Here very clearly specified 233.44 liter were been transferred. The rate per good unit, you know, this is the value. The total value is nothing but this is the value. Let's see the question here, process 3. In the stage 3, 100 liters of more chemical was being added for $3,000. Let us see here. I can say here input of materials. How many liters you are been introducing here? 100 liters you are being introduced here, and the total value is how much? $3,000. Next, what is the manufacturing wages? They say direct labor is also $3,000. Okay. Next we have direct expenses. This is 3,100. Okay. Any value is not an important. The concept is very important here. Let's see here how much is being evaporated during the process. It is estimated 20% of the chemical will be evaporated during the process. How much? They say very clearly 20% of total input you have to take into consideration. Total input, how much you have to take? That is nothing but you have to take 20%, brackets open, 233 plus 100. You have to take both the things you have to take into consideration. Then only you will be getting it into consideration. Let's see here the same syntax here. That is nothing but 230. Total input how much? There are two things are being input into 20% is been. This is the question they are very clearly saying. Okay. I repeat again, what is the, it is estimated that 20% of the chemical will be evaporated during the process. Process 3, how much? They say 20% is been evaporated. Evaporated means we cannot sell anything value, there is no value, there is no money realized out of it. Next, process 3, is there any transfer to next process? No. Is there any next process? No. That means there is no next process. No. That means everything lazim, we have to it must sell into the market. There is no next process, therefore there ends the show. Therefore the process 3, everything has to be transferred to the next process. Okay, let's see here, margin they say very clearly 60%. Therefore here I have to say there is no next process. What I have to take here? 100%. Yeah, 100% must be 100% of finished goods, output. I can say 100% of output must be transferred. Okay. How much? 100% means nothing but you have to take what is the total input value minus your normal loss value. You will be getting, this is to be considered as your total value. Next, how much use your rate per good unit? Rate per good unit, what is the formula here? Total input cost. What is your total input cost? Is nothing but 17,650 minus 0. And weight. Weight is how much? Total input quantum how much? Input quantity is nothing but 333 minus your normal loss quantum. Normal loss quantity. What is normal loss quantity? Is 67. Yes, my dear. Then next, let us see about here. Let's see about here how to calculate the value. That is nothing but here total input cost is this. I would like to use the formula bar here to make you easy. The total input cost minus normal loss value is 0. I close the braces, divided by total input quantity. I would like to open the brackets. Okay, and then total input quantity minus normal loss, that is nothing but weight loss quantity. This is the value you will be getting. This is the value. Therefore you have to have rate per unit. How much you are getting? Rate per good unit, this is the value. You want to get the total value is nothing but quantum multiplied by the rate, you will be getting total. Therefore if the total debits and credits are the same, your answer is absolutely correct. Let's see how much he has to sell. That's our answer. Let's see here how much he has to sell. Okay, these things already done with, therefore I no need to worry. Yeah. The question speaks about how much he wants to earn a margin of 60%. Oh God, earlier he wants only 30%, now he wants 60%. How to take ratio? He wants profit is 60 and sales is 100, therefore your cost must be 40. And then the value you have to take here like this, and therefore let us see the formula. Formula is nothing but the total value divided by the ratio, that is nothing but the quantum H77 by H76 into G76. Okay, the same formula H77 by H76 into F76. Yes, right. Therefore, how much he has to sell here? The output of process 3, the owner must sell at a value of $165,417. All the three process, the procedure is the same. All the three process, not 3 stages. All the 3, only one, if at all you understand, everything will be the easy. Everything will be the same structure. Here process, I explain once again here, whatever the input cost into the factory in the manufacturing process is being taken in here. On the credit side, you are taking what is the value of loss. What is the value of loss will be taking in consideration with the quantum of loss even. Next, how much you want to transfer to the next process, how much you want to sell to the how much process you want to transfer to the warehouse, and thereby you want to sell in the market. These 2 things. Then you should know how much is the profit you want to earn. Profit in dollars, he wants in the process 1 $7, and he wants to sell about 19. This is the structure, same structure, but the only difference is what? Process B receives input from process A. The second process receives input from previous process, that is nothing but process A. Same way here process C receives the value from previous process called transfer from process B. Therefore, this is only the link, remaining all as it is the same. Hope you will understand. I will give a homework, you practice and then get me back your feedback pertaining to this. You have any difficulty, you can come back, you can question anytime. Okay. Thank you very much for listening to this video lesson. Go ahead.